in valleys where iron rails stretch long and neat, and pistons do chug with a clank and a beat. There thundered a train so noble and proud, its chimney pipe puffing a steamy white cloud. Named was the train Old Equilibrium, balanced in mass from caboose to the drum. She rolled with inertia, that means staying still or moving straight on if you don't push or will. Down from the ridge came a beast of a truck, with tires like barrels and axle-borne pluck. Its engine did rumble with horsepower strong, and gravity pulled it downhill all along. "Good morning," said train as it stayed on its track. "My momentum is great, no time to turn back." Momentum, dear children, is mass times one speed, a force in its motion, it's physics indeed. But Monster Truck Maximus revved with a roar. "Sir Train," he declared, "I shall leap and not floor, for force equals mass times acceleration, a fact I once learned on a school field vacation." Then Max found a ramp, built sturdy and right, at the edge of a canyon, a marvelous sight. He sped up with torque, that's a spinning type shove, and leapt through the air like a falcon above. Now torque is a twist made by force times the length. From the wheel's center, 'tis turning for strength, and air like a blanket pressed back on his might. That's drag, dear young scholars, which slows down a flight. But the angle was good and his tires were wide, so friction and gravity worked on his side. He soared o'er the train in a marvelous arc, a parabolic path through the cool morning dark. He landed with bounce and a bellowing cheer, while children all clapped from the hills far and near. The train blew its whistle, the truck gave a grin, for physics had taught them both